Hello and welcome to our next great episode of WorkPoint 365 Explorer. How do you ensure that your workforce works with the right guidelines or procedures? How do you know that they are not outdated or they're working with a draft or a draft document? With the WorkPoint Quality Assurance Management Solution, these problems are gone. How? I will show you how. Right now, we are in our Quality Assurance Management Solution. As you can see, we have our handbook, audits, non-conformities, KPIs, and business processes right where we need them. So let's go into one of our business processes. Right now I'm in the pizza sauce composition business process. This process should give you our company guidelines for the different ingredients. Also, it allows our workforce to declare non-conformities easily and fast, as you can see here. Very important are different audits. In this example, we have an external audit from the health authority. But now, let's create a document and see the power of WorkPoint. I click on Document in the My Tools panel. A wizard appears and I can give the document a name. Let's call it Ingredient Specifications. We choose the alternative document template Process. Now we can see in our working documents our new document. It would be interesting to check if we can find this document now in our handbook, because this is a draft and a working document. So let's check it. I click on Global Home and then in my left navigation on the handbook. Now we can narrow down our results, or we can just search in the search field. Let's search for ingredient specification. As you can see, there is no document in the handbook. Let's go back to my working documents. As you can see, the version of the document is 0.1. I will select my document and click on Publish. First, you can see that the version changed to 1.0. This means we have a version history, which is very important. But now I want to check if my workforce can see the published document. So let's jump back to the handbook and search for the document. As you can see, the document now is published and my workforce can work with the right guidelines. And I can take care that the right document is published and they are not working with a draft. Easy governance of the right document for your workforce. Never be afraid that your workforce is working with an outdated document or simply a draft. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.